Let's first meet Sound Masters. Here's Captain K, strong and cool. Then we have Clever CK, fast and funny. Then we have Inventive IC, full of magic. To get the expertise for curse sound, let's discuss what the masters told me. First, I talked to Clever CK. He pointed and words started to appear. They are duck, sock, and back. Then the master asked me, what do all these words have in common, Sol? I thought for a second and told him they are all one syllable words. Then the master said, correct! The CK rule is for one syllable words. He asked me again, what kind of sound does the vowel make in each word? They are all short vowel sounds, I explained. Precisely, the master said. You can use CK at the end of one syllable word when the k sound comes right after a short vowel. I thanked Master CK and went to Captain K. Captain K is strong and cool. He asked me, do you want to learn the secret of K? But it is little complex because it handles two situations and we are always ready to learn, correct? Immediately new words appeared over the water. They are milk, bank, task. Then he said, first rule is that you use K at the end when K sound follows a consonant. In milk, K sound follows L. In bank, it follows N. And in dark, K sound follows R. Immediately I had a doubt. But what if there is no consonant before it? That becomes the second rule. The K master smiled and said, that is the secret. We also use K when K sound follows a long vowel sound or a vowel team, like the words bake, soak, week. In bake, long vowel sound of A is used because of magic key at the end. So we use K. In soak, O and A team up. In week, E and E. So that makes the second rule. That's what the master said. Finally, I summarized. If k sound comes after a consonant or a long vowel or a vowel team, we use K. Now that we are done with K, we have to go to Master IC. Master IC is a very enthusiastic and inventive master. When she saw me, she told that her secret is for bigger words, the one with many parts, like words garlic, attic, and magic. Look at attic, there are two syllables, so ending k sound is spelled IC. Same with the other words magic and garlic, all have two syllables. So, when a word has more than one syllable, the final k sound is almost always spelled with IC. Now we went through all the rules of k sound ending. Let's try to spell out few words and find the winner. Here's a word which means a large stone. Can you find the word? Yes, it's CK because there is a short O sound before K sound and the word is rock. Let's look at the next word. This word means that it's a place where we spend time leisurely among the trees. Can you find the word? Yes, the missing letter is K and the letter is R, which is a consonant. So the word is park. Here's our next word. This word means that an outdoor meal on a blanket. Can you guess the word? Yes, it's IC and the word is picnic because it's a two syllable word. Good job, Tinker. You did so well. You are the winner. Just remember the three secrets. First one, use CK after a short vowel in a one syllable word. Second one, use K after a consonant or a long vowel or a vowel team in a one syllable word. Third one, use IC at the end of words with more than one syllable. All these are for k sound. Now that you learn about the k sound, don't forget to try it out with other words. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Sunny Wisdom. Thank you for watching. Keep shining.